In this video, we are sailing to Palm Beach, and on our way back, we fly the spinnaker for the first time. Meet CJ. I'm Emily. We recently purchased a sailboat. We love the ocean and the hidden world that exists underneath. We are taking with us our two dogs, Luna and Wally. Are you ready for some adventures? We left Friday afternoon after work and spent the night at Peck's Lake. The next morning, we headed south to Palm Beach.
It actually is spinning.
This is the boat, or should I say the yacht, where my childhood friend Chantal works. The boat happened to be docked in Palm Beach that same weekend we were there. We got to see the helicopter landing test on the helipad on the yacht. That was pretty cool.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Trials for tons of stuff yesterday, and the only trial wasn't working. It's the helicopter thing. So they say, okay, come back on the dock at 7 something, and we're gonna make another trial.
So wait, they tried to fly, or they just didn't try to fly yesterday?
They flew, they land, but they say we're not happy with it, so they came back. So now the pilot arrived this morning. Now he's gonna fly with the crew, and he's gonna join for the trip in the video.
Look at that helicopter.
C'est le bateau à Chantal, là.
Hello.
Ça, là. Bye!
Oh, good seeing you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good seeing you. That sailboat is insane.
That one? We look so small under this big bow.
I know. The thing is probably as tall as the sailboat. He already knows it's flying.
That's Memorial Day weekend for you. job to you.